All right, so our final one is going to be the Western Union. All right, let's see if we can kind of get you a close-up on that. It's going to look something like this. All right, Western Union and the straight splice are very similar, I guess, in a way. As far as the type of splice that they do, they are the same. The Western Union should be a little bit stronger. All right, so if we were to have our two strands coming in, we would make an X like so. They'd be coming in, and then we would start wrapping this one around, you know, the other wire, and then you would take this one and you would wrap it around, kind of, I don't know if you can kind of see what I'm saying. You're going to kind of take it and just spin that X, all right? I'm going to go ahead and try to demonstrate that for you guys so you can see it. Let's go ahead and I'll show you. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do our Western Union here. And all I've done is I went ahead and cut some wire off camera, so that way you guys didn't see me cut it. And do the Western Union, you're going to make an X about roughly in the middle, and then you're going to bend one side over and start twisting around the other one. Hopefully this turns out nicely. I'm trying to look through the camera. See how I twisted the one side? Well, now I'm going to do it to the other side. Okay? We're just going to go ahead and work it through. Again, tighter the better. Oh, man. Probably got a little extra on this one that I shouldn't have done. Yes. So when you're doing this, you want to try to get it to lay as evenly as possible. See how this side's a lot more even than this one over here? Try to shoot for this, okay? So now all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it into our holder like so. Oops, my clamp's not holding very well. Get more out here. Get you as close as possible. And again, we're just going to start by letting it heat up this whole wire as best we can. And I found the more you let it heat up, the little bit better. There's kind of a tipping point where it's just too hot and nothing wants to stick to it. So be careful that you don't get it there, all right? So we're just gonna let it keep heating up for a little longer. Getting close. Seems like once it gets going, it'll want to take. Again, just make sure that you're getting all the loose ends done up, okay? And like I said before, if you ever need to flip this over and do the other side, that's totally fine. All we will do is, just kind of rotate it in the clamps and make sure that you get a nice, good, clean solder all the way around. All the wires are nicely tight in there. You can take this thing and try to, after it cools off, of course, try to pull it apart. You'll notice that it has a very good connection, all right? So go ahead and do this one. Again, do 2 or 3 of them, no problem. Get good at this, okay, guys?